Welcome to another episode of We Have Food at Home Challenge. This is January 5th, 2023 dinner from Eat Well. Start by preheating your oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need about 1 pound of chicken breast sliced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, diced, 1/4 teaspoon fresh ground white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon bouillon, chicken powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon dried parsley. Combine the seasoning in a bowl until it's a paste-like. You might have to add additional olive oil so that it is a little liquidy. Toss your ingredients to combine very well and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and toss to combine. Add to a baking sheet. Don't be like me and forget to add your butter. Add the butter dices on top of your chicken and put in the oven to bake for 16 minutes. Now, while the chicken bakes, let's make a side. Preheat your pan on medium heat. While that's heating, dice of 1/2 onion. Cut divine and slice into strips 3 baby poblanos or 1 big one. When the pan is hot, add a little bit of oil and add your onions, salting until they are soft. You will then add 1 teaspoon of diced garlic from a jar because we hate to cook. When it becomes fragrant, add your poblano slices and hope the Aztec gods didn't make them extra spicy and your whole house smokes and you're blinded. Once your vegetables base is ready, add 1 package of riced cauliflower medley with teriyaki glaze. I found this particular item at BJ's Wholesale. If you only have regular cauliflower rice, it will work fine. You will sort until the cauliflower rice is heated through. There's no more water, and the cauliflower starts to crisp up. Right around this time your chicken should be done. Pull it out of the oven and let it rest while you finish your side. Scramble 1 egg, or more if you want. Who am I to tell you how to live? Add it to your cooked vegetation. Toss so that it covers all of the rice. And when the egg starts to cook, turn off the heat. Add soy sauce to taste. And now you are done with this miserable cooking torture that we had to endure. Since I'm a bariatric patient, I have to weigh my food. Overall, I would recommend enduring this cooking torture and making this. Please follow and continue watching my journey.